Welcome to 5221 Framton Court, a home located in South Lincoln in the Edenton neighborhood. This home is located on the edge of a cul-de-sac and has a nice-sized corner lot. There is space to park on the drive and in the two-stall garage. Enjoy the view of the neighborhood while spending time on this cozy front porch. Come on inside, where you will find a spacious living room. The living room is cozy and warm, while also having light from the large windows. The informal dining room offers the perfect amount of space to gather. Be sure to notice the wood floors that have been recently refinished. The kitchen is spacious and has plenty of storage with lots of cabinet space. There is lots of counter space for food preparation and, of course, small kitchen appliances. As mentioned, lots of cabinets, including 2 Lazy Susans in the lower corners. There is a handy first-floor laundry space that has cabinetry to keep everything organized. There is a half bath on the main floor that is perfect for guests to use. Upstairs, there is a spacious main full bath, including a tub. The third upstairs bedroom. Another upstairs bedroom. The primary bedroom is spacious with lots of closet space and an ensuite bathroom. The ensuite bathroom with shower. The basement includes a large recreational area that has a fireplace. The fireplace has a natural gas insert that provides a cozy flame and heats up the room on a cold night. A convenient bathroom located in the basement. There is a non-conforming room that can be used as an office, an adjoining room to the recreation room. While it is currently used as a craft area, there are so many possibilities with this space. Come on outside to the backyard where there is a large patio and plenty of space to entertain. There is lots of space for a garden or pets to roam. Take note of the fully fenced-in backyard. Thank you for viewing 5221 Framton, and please join us for one of the open houses or schedule your private tour soon.